the deer and the antelope play.
Joey's gonna drive Fury plumb loco with that singing, Jim. How are we gonna stop it?
I've got an idea.
That'll give him something to sing about.
Hey, Joey, you better come quick. Pete's eating all the Borden's ice cream.
Hey, Pete, don't forget me.
Now, I wouldn't do that, Joey. Besides, you know we get the big half-gallon package, so there's always plenty to go around. Yes, sirree, no matter what flavor, there's nothing so lip-smacking good as delicious Borden's ice cream.
I sure hope you have some more, Pete.
Sure have, Joey.
Kids, you can have seconds, too. Be sure to ask your mom to get the big half-gallon package with Elsie's picture on it. That's good Borden's ice cream.
Hey, Mom! Be sure to buy Borden! Buy Borden!